the thrill of 24-hour adventure. Imagine experiencing the thrill of 2 epic adventures in the beautiful Cape Town, all within a span of just 24 hours. Welcome to the concept of the 24-hour adventure challenge, a whirlwind of exhilarating experiences. Our first stop: the world-renowned shark diving hotspot, Gansbaai. Once we've dried off, we'll head back to Cape Town to ascend the city's most iconic landmark, Table Mountain. So, buckle up and get ready for an adrenaline-packed day in Cape Town. Journey to Gansbaai and shark diving adventure. Our journey begins with a scenic drive from Cape Town to Gansbaai, a small fishing town known worldwide for its shark cage diving. We're on the road early, the sun just peeping over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. Along the way, we're treated to sprawling vineyards, stunning coastal views, and the occasional ostrich crossing the road. As we arrive in Gansbaai, there's an undeniable buzz in the air. This is a place where adrenaline and nature collide, where you can feel the thrill of the ocean's most formidable predators up close. Preparations for the dive are meticulous, safety is paramount. We're suited up, briefed, and before we know it, we're on a boat, heading into the deep blue. The cage dips into the water, and suddenly, we're sharing the ocean with great white sharks. The water around us churns as these magnificent creatures glide past, their sheer size and power leaving us in awe. It's an encounter that's both exhilarating and humbling, a reminder of the raw beauty and might of nature. As we clamber back onto the boat, soaked but buzzing with excitement, we're left with indelible memories of an adventure like no other. But there's no time to rest. As we leave the waters of Gansbaai behind, the rush to make it back to Cape Town begins. The rush back to Cape Town, with the adrenaline from the shark dive still pumping, we embark on our journey back to Cape Town, racing against the clock. The road seems to fly beneath us as we speed along, the thrill of the chase echoing the excitement of the dive. Each passing moment, each kilometer conquered, is a testament to the spirit of adventure, the joy of the unknown. Tick-tock, tick-tock, the clock chimes, reminding us of the challenge at hand. As we arrive back in Cape Town, the second half of our adventure awaits, Table Mountain. Table Mountain experience. Next up, we conquer one of Cape Town's most iconic landmarks, Table Mountain. This flat-topped mountain is not just a stunning backdrop to the city, but a playground for nature and adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're an avid hiker or prefer a more relaxed journey, Table Mountain caters to all. The cable car ride offers a quick and scenic ascent, rotating 360 degrees to give you panoramic views of Cape Town. If you are up for the challenge, the various hiking trails offer a more intimate experience with nature, leading you through indigenous fynbos and revealing the mountain's rich biodiversity. Reaching the summit is a reward in itself. The views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, presenting a breathtaking panorama of Cape Town, the sprawling city bowl, the shimmering Atlantic Ocean, and the distant Blue Mountains. It's a vista you'll want to drink in for as long as you can. But Table Mountain is more than just a lookout point. It's a hub of activity, with nature walks, rock climbing, and even abseiling for the truly adventurous. And if you need a moment to catch your breath, there's always the option to grab a bite at the mountaintop restaurant or simply sit and marvel at the beauty surrounding you. As the sun sets over Cape Town, our 24-hour adventure comes to a close, leaving us with unforgettable memories. The summation of a day packed with adventure in just 24 hours, we've experienced the thrill of shark diving in Gansbaai and the breathtaking beauty of Table Mountain. With the sun setting behind us, our heartbeats still echo the pulsating adventure we've had today. The rush of adrenaline as we descended into the waters of Gansbaai, coming face to face with the ocean's most formidable predator. The awe-inspiring journey back to Cape Town, our spirits high with the thrill of the chase against time. And then, the majestic Table Mountain. The ride up, whether by cable car or on foot, each moment filled with anticipation. The panorama from the top, a sight that takes your breath away, every time. The activities that beckon, each one a new adventure. Every minute of this day has been soaked in exhilaration, every second a testament to the thrill of adventure. It's been a day packed with unforgettable moments, a day that truly defines the spirit of Cape Town. Why wait? Plan your own 24-hour adventure in Cape Town and create unforgettable memories.